How's it going, folks? This is Wayne, all back for another technique lesson today and continuing our scale series. This is going to be position 4 of the minor pentatonic scale in the key of a G. So I'm hoping you've got the first 3 positions down, and today we're going to look at position 4, so let's get to it. Okay, so position 4 of the G minor pentatonic scale, and if we look at the shapes we've already done, the first shape started on the 3rd fret, the second shape started on the 6th fret, the 3rd shape started on the 8th fret, okay, and the 4th shape is going to start on the 10th fret, okay. So I'm just going to talk you through the fret numbers on the strings of how this scale goes together. So we're going to go 10, 13, that's on the E string, 10, 13 on the A string, we're going to go 10, 12 on the D, also 10, 12 on the G, and then we're going to go up half a step to 11 on the B string, to 13, and then we're going to go 10, 13 on the top E string. So again, we got 10, 13, 10, 13, 10, 12, 10, 12, 11, 13, and then 10, 13. Okay, so play that up and down a few times, get used to that. So another useful thing to do is to sort of, root out where those root notes are. So if we just play through that scale, we've got a root note, which will be the 10th fret on the A string. And we got one on the 12th fret, that's on the G. So it's really handy. Like I say, later on in the series, when we start making maybe little licks up or improvising with a backing track, we can sort of root out where those root notes are. Another useful thing to do, because while we're talking about the minor pentatonic scale, I think it's useful to sort of, weed out where the blues notes are as well. So on this scale, we've done it on the other position, so I'll do it on this one as well. So on this one, we're going to go 10, 13, 10, 13, 10, 11, 12, that will be on the D string. Okay, so we just got the one blues note in, that's on the D string. So instead of going 10, 12, it's going to go 10, 11, 12. Oh. Okay, and again, obviously, practice joining all those shapes together. You could do all those in a row, see how they link together. You could link all those together with one string is a useful thing to do. Obviously, try and play that to a metronome, and obviously the next one's going to be the 5th position, which is the last position, and then I'll maybe show you how to maybe improvise those over a backing track. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. Hope you guys found that useful again. And like I say, scales are great, great for finger development. And when you start using scales sort of beyond exercising and improvising and knowing what you do with them, sort of the world's your oyster, you know what I mean? So it can bring so much to the guitar. It's just a little bit something different than obviously strumming chords up and down, which what the majority of my lessons are, which there's nothing wrong with that. I love doing that. I love singing and playing, but it's good to take it sort of beyond that and explore the guitar a little bit more. So I hope everybody can get those down, and I will catch you for position 5 very soon. Take care.